Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video. So inshallah ta'ala, in this video we will practice reading and writing for the beginners who want to start learning the Arabic language from the scratch. Okay? So let's get started. The first letter. What do we call this letter in Arabic? This is the letter Kaf. Very good job. We put Fatha. Ka. 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 And then, what do we call this letter in Arabic? The letter Ta. Very good job. We put Fatha. Ta. 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 And then, the letter Ba. We put Fatha. Ba. 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 Very good job. Now let's try to connect those letters together. The letter Kaf in the beginning, this is how we write the letter Kaf in the beginning. Okay, we put Fatha, Ka, 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 Ka. And then the letter Ta, we put Fatha, Ta, Ta, Ka, Ta, Ka, Ta, Ka, Ta, Ka, Ta. And then the letter Ba, we put Fatha, Ba, Ba, Ka, Ta, Ba, Kataba, 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 Kataba. Very good job. So let's write the meaning of this word. He wrote. Okay, he wrote. This is the meaning of Kataba. 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 Very good job. So we come to the end of this video. Hope you like it and see you inshallah ta'ala in the next videos. Goodbye. مع السلامة.